Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. Next weekend I'm off to Warsaw in Poland to speak at the PACE conference there, an English language conference for mostly Polish teachers of English. I'm very much looking forward to it. I always really enjoy being back in Warsaw. The only problem is I'm flying out from London at 6:30 in the morning on Friday. Now, I'm flying from London Luton, which is a 45-minute cab ride from my house. I have to get there at least an hour and a half before the flight in order to go through security and all of that kind of thing, which basically means I'm going to need to be up at some ungodly hour of the morning. If you talk about an ungodly hour or an ungodly time, you basically mean a kind of extreme, unacceptable time, either very, very early in the morning or very, very late at night. So maybe you fly somewhere and you realise when you check the flight times that you're getting in at some ungodly hour of the morning, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock in the morning. Maybe you're half asleep, you've just dozed off, and suddenly the phone rings and you think to yourself, God, who's calling at this ungodly hour of the night or at this ungodly hour of the day? Because often when you get phone calls that late at night, it's never a good thing. Maybe when you're camping, for example, out in the sticks, you get woken up at stupid o'clock by the dawn chorus, the birds singing in the trees. And the problem is that birds are genetically programmed to chirp away at an ungodly hour of the morning. You do sometimes see ungodly used as an adjective with other nouns as well, always with the same meaning of extreme or unacceptable. So maybe, you have a teenage kid who decides they don't want to be in the school sports teams anymore, the football team or whatever, because they feel that the training is just too much. It's putting an ungodly mental and physical strain on them. You can talk about an ungodly amount of something. So maybe a company launches a new product and it receives an ungodly amount of complaints, or people ask for an ungodly amount of refunds. Maybe you have the neighbours from hell move in next door to you, and you come home from work and there's an ungodly noise coming from their house or their apartment. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use ungodly or an ungodly time or an ungodly hour.